Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Milsey and I'm from a small place in UP, and this is day 2 of Learn English with me. So you all know that I'm here to improve my communication as well as my fluency in English, and I record video and upload on the YouTube. So subscribe to my channel to give me motivation, and also share this video with your friends who also want to improve their communication skills. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So in this video I want to tell you my situation of when I decided I want to become a cabin crew, as you all know. So I decided, and when I try to speak in English, and I'm so many time I stuck. I don't I have good communication skills. I am not able to express my ideas in English. So I decided without practice I can't speak in English. So that day I start practicing in front of the mirror, as well as record myself for a 20 to 30 seconds video, and watch my video carefully, and write my mistakes. And as it I am improved something, not good, not fluent, but I use and speak simple words, and I use a simple sentence and make and speak in English. So for the cabin crew role I have to fluent in English. So it's a very big, and I am as you all know, as you all know, many people say that read English in book, watch movies, series in English, also try to communicate to the pupil in English. Very disappointed sometimes, but I'm not lose my hope. So and that day I go to the chat gpt, and just I write the sentence and chat gpt correct it. But also it not work for me, because I don't feel that it's work on. I have to improve my communication skills on the chat gpt, from the chat gpt. So I leave that platform. I also reading books. For the reading books I have remembered a word I want to tell you with all of you. If you want to describe your grace strength, yeah, also use this word is articulate. Articulate, it means one person who able to express their thoughts clearly and confidently to someone. Yes. So also use this word, and I read this word last night when I was reading the book. So I had decided, so I thought let's talk up also to you, because you are you also being a part of my journey. So if I do any mistake, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video till end. And please like, comment, share this video with your friend. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And please comment me in which state you watch my videos. It's all for today. Bye bye.